Guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a eyeshadow tutorial for you today, so I've already gone ahead and put my base on. So I just want to get straight into the video, and I'm thinking like a bright orange and pink kind of look today. I know it's not quite the summertime yet, but there's no harm in dreaming of faraway times. So I'm going to get into the summery kind of feeling, and I'm going to use my Festival palette by BH Cosmetics, which is this one here, and they've got some beautiful shades in here, so I really want to head in on this section. So we'll see what we can create. So it's not quite turned out as orange as it looks. That's the shade there. But it looks quite red on my eyes, but we can work with it. Okay guys, that is my look for you today. I thoroughly enjoyed it actually. I don't do bright colours on the eyes very often on some of the videos that I do, only because bright colours on my eyes scare me. So this year is the year of coming out of my comfort zone and doing things different. So I hope you did enjoy the video. I will link all the products that you've seen on screen today just down below. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. And also please give this video a massive thumbs up because it really does help. Head over to my Instagram, which is Holly, and that's with an ie.rutter, and also head over to my Twitter account, which is Holly_makeup. And until next time guys, take care. Oh, and Happy New Year.